Menteri Katanat Sports kajela ubak wailat Miki Shila hak arkundai trik yayong ula ong baka sorkar jela kan wengi ki jing halur ka jingduna ki jakasa na ka benta ka National Games arjar arpnyo da ka ba Tyrwa ya ka subsidy ka ba hinyopu hadu hinyopu sen ban sengi ki hotel ki barid Tura bat Jowai. Ya kani umintri ulapun pau shakilat sai kubor hadin ka jingalang ka baningkong jong ka governing body jong ka National Games Secretariat Society haba benrap baka jala Meghalaya kan la ban penong ya ka limpung lek kai ka bajam bat ka ba kinong lek kai na ka jala kin la ban le bha ha ka jing shisha menta ka singi ka de ka jingalang ka baningkong jong ka governing body jong ka National Games Secretariat Society hadin bala thawya ka bat hadin bala yo jingmenjur na ka kinhun mentri ula ong ha ba benrap ba barok ki dekat jong kitanan beper kila wanya shimbenta umentri ula ong ru ba ka society kala rai ban penrong shu iki dekat na ka benta ka jingat lang ka bakham ba uba wailat ula ong baka jingalang bishar kam bala penyai da umentri rangba ukon rat ke sangma kala shem baka jingtray kala long ka bayat ben Henry kala penpau halur ka jingduna ki jakasa shabar jo ka nongba shlong gila pen kre ha ka bayade ber ki jakasa ha ka jela ka jongi ha ka bangi sngo baka shlong ka long ka balabiang Henry kumba ka long menta gidon ka jingduna ha Tura ber hajwai ya ka bangi pen kre na ka benta kata ula ong ban kyar na kabate ki jingte kaban sabu jing shibun ban penyat hadin habun ka sorkar kala shim ya ka kabu ban kintiu ru ya ki kam jungok kai bat ru ban ailat ya ki traishnong ki bakwa ban seng ya ki ni ki hotel barin haringkat ki kindon ban penla engi ban penbyang jakasa ya ki nong elek kai ni ki bor penyat hakisngi ki ban wan ban rap uba wailan.
The decision is just formally today since it was the first meeting. So no like major because we are just trying to settle in because there are a lot of things need to be done for in order for the society to be able to function. So that was the only few agenda we discussed. Yeah, recently, just a few weeks back, under the under the chairmanship of our chief minister, where not only for national game, but actually he took the review meeting of all the department. So there we have present the presentation to him, and we are on track. All the construction of all the competition venue is going on, and we have mapped the accommodation in our state, which we feel that Shillong we have the numbers, but we are right at the moment we are having shortage in Tura and in Jowai, which we have also have a plan for that. We already have given the scheme from the tourism department for this boutique hotel, where almost I think 70 to 75% of subsidy will be given from the government, at least because we don't want to create any more infrastructure, because you know that just by if we continue to build infrastructure also, it will be very difficult, will be challenging for us to maintain it after the national game. So that's why we take this opportunity at least to lead to promote tourism at the same time, and we give opportunity to the locals who want to set up these boutique hotels, but we have given them a set of guidelines where they have to incorporate where we can put our athlete or technical person in the coming days. So other than that, just a few months back also the secretary from the of sports from the union government also came here. He took the review meeting, he visited the site, he also was quite happy. And then a month back also our commissioner secretary along with our officers have visited our union minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviaji, and have also shared the presentation with him. So they also were quite happy with the presentation. So overall, I could say that the preparation is going well. During that time also, I think not all, only few incidents were there, and I think quickly it was taken care of, and they have I think the sport department were swift they have given a swift response. And if you have seen, then after that, I think we were all witness that the last national game in Jowai. I think, I don't know, according to me, and I have tried to check in the media also, I have not seen anyone complain from during the last Meghalaya games in Jowai. So and even in the, for that matter, the Northeast Olympic game and other games which were being held, no doubt small issue will be there when you are like organizing this event of this scale. So definitely here and there it will be there, but but this is a prestige occasion for us, especially national game. So it is the whole country will be here. So we are not taking anything for granted. So we are fully prepared, and that's why you have seen that we have not waiting for the sanction from the central government. We are going all out with the state fund for any kind of construction, for any kind of which we need for the national game. So we are going forward, way ahead. So I'm quite sure and I'm quite confident under the kind of support we are getting from the chief minister, from the other department. So I'm confident that we'll be able to run this national game smoothly and make it a memorable one. Definitely, because our what we really desire is not that just to host this game. We also want that our athletes and our players to perform well, and that's why for their encouragement with the government and from the sports department, we have passed the policy of the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment policy, where anybody starting, actually we are trying that even from last year national game also, for those medal winners also will be included, where they will be given the job. So from next year onward, that whoever will bring medal from the national game itself, they will get a government job. So I think it's a huge encouragement for our athletes, our players, and even for the parent to support them. And at the same time, we really want to have a good show. I mean, would see that the performance of Meghalaya also will improve. So that's why you have seen that from the sports department, we have decentralized everything. It's not that like in the past, with due respect, I've seen many associations have to come and beg to the sports department, please give us this, please give us that. But now we have seen from the last year itself that we have released all 39 crores we have sanctioned for the team preparation, where we, no doubt, since we are giving money, so there should be accountability. So we have given some set of guidelines that you have to fulfill. So we have given the money to all the association, where they can buy equipments, they can hire human resource and other things. So we are trying to decentralize these things so they can prepare our athletes. And because of all this initiative, I would say, I think that's why in the recently concluded Khelo India Tribal Game, the performance of Meghalaya was tremendous. Where the rank last year, Meghalaya rank in the Khelo India Tribal Game was 29, but this year it's a huge jump from 29 to 13th. We finished 13, and we'll continue to work hard, and we'll continue to support the association and the athlete, and I'm quite sure that next year we'll enter top 5, and therefore and hopefully will be on the top. So I think because of all this initiative and all this effort, and I think the result also you could see it. So with all this, I'm quite confident that it's not only will be able to host the national game, but will also will perform well.